I'm Justin with Tap Performance, and this week we're going to show you how to install a K&N air filter on a 2019 Honda Grom. Okay, to install the K&N air filter, first we're going to need to open up the air box here in front. To do that, there is 4 on each side. So there's 1 on the bottom, 1 in the middle, 2 on the top of each side. So 4 screws on each side, total 8. Alright, once you've removed all 8 of the screws, you should be able to pop this cover off and drop it down below. Now, you will notice we actually had previously installed the K&N air filter, so we've already got it in there. This is just a drop-in replacement though, so your stock one's going to look very similar to this. So you just take the stock one out and replace it with the K&N. You'll notice there is 1 more screw that holds this in. Alright, so now again yours will be stuck, but you'll remove the 1 screw, the stock filter will come out. You'll grab your K&N, it'll be a direct drop-in replacement. You'll get it fitted up, making sure it's making a nice seal, and you bolt it back in. Alright, now that you've got your K&N drop-in replacement air filter bolted in, we're going to put the cover back on. Slide that back in. Line it all up, and then we'll put the 8 screws back in.